Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and this is 5-Star Cars. Hope you're having a great evening or a great day. Thank you very much if you've clicked on the video for taking a few minutes out of your day. I know we're a new channel, so I hope you will subscribe and follow me on Instagram and give the channel a chance and check out my other videos. So here what we do is I watch the same as you, TJ Hunt, DD, all those car YouTubers. I'm big into my cars like yourselves, and I just kind of whatever videos, 2-3 videos a day, I'll bring them up on the channel and just rate them out of 10. And this channel here is for you guys, like a podcast. Comment below and I'll bring up the comments and chat back to you about what's happening in the supercar community. That's kind of what this channel is going to be, and as it grows and gets bigger, when we get monetized, I'm going to do project cars and do it for you. You're going to tell me what to do with the project cars. In saying that, so the way this channel is going to work, guys, is when we get monetized, you guys are going to see the paycheck every month, and you're going to decide what I do with that paycheck. If I bank it, put it towards a project car, what project car do you want me to do, what body kit to put on it, what wheels, what color, all that kind of stuff. You decide. I'm not going to decide at all. I'm just going to give you options and then you pick. So if you want a channel like this who's going to show you that kind of in-depth and that transparency, this is the channel for you. So I got to start somewhere, and this is how I'm going to do it. So I hope you join me in this journey, and we'll see where it ends up. Also, when we get monetized, I'm going to give away this Lamborghini LED sign. There's also a Ferrari one, so you pick which one you want and whatever color you want. Just when we get monetized, we make it, and as we get bigger, the prizes will get bigger, the giveaways. In saying that, guys, as well, I've built a website. It'll come up here to vote for your 2019 Car YouTuber of the Year. Hopefully next year, when we're big enough, this will get bigger, but I'll give you the results at the end of this month, so subscribe to get that. And also, I am going to Dubai in 5 weeks. I cannot wait. I'm going over on my own for a week to party and relax, but also I'm going to go over to look at some supercars and vlog as much supercar content as I can for you guys, make some montages, and I've never done YouTube before, so this is all new to me, so I hope you give me a chance and join in on the fun. So that's basically what we're doing on this channel, guys, and that's the way we're kind of going. So check out my other videos and get involved and start commenting. So in today's video, I'll make it brief. Jumping straight into number one, I saw the Car Wow video on the Lotus Evija, I think it's called. We're going to be covering that, and also I'm going to be covering TJ Hunt. He got a new kit design for the Corvette C8. So they're the two I'm going to be covering today. I'm not going to make it too long. My videos are 5-12 minutes. I don't want to bore you until the channel gets bigger. So jumping to number one today, Car Wow. I haven't covered these guys before, but I saw the video, it came up on my feed about the Lotus Evija. It's a 2000 brake horsepower electric monster. I checked out the video. It's beautiful looking. I really love the look of this car. It's like a Lamborghini Gallardo on electric steroids. It's ridiculous. The doors go up. I love the vents at the back of it where it keeps the downforce. The holes through the back fenders. So I'm just going to show you some 1 or 2 clips of the car here, and just check this out.
Tell you the truth though, one customer who's actually bought one of these says he liked the slow moving doors. It like added to the theatre. The Evija just looks super modern and really, really well built, with lovely materials such as leather up here and Alcantara up here and carbon fibre exposed everywhere. One of the things that really stands out is the dash design. So rather than being like a full dash, it's more of a beam, and here is just space. Reason being that space adds lightness, and adding lightness is Lotus founder Colin Chapman's ethos.
So what do you think, guys? I love it. I love the look of it. Love the interior styling is gorgeous. This is a beautiful car. Car Wow did a really good job on reviewing it. Now, if you've got 1.9 to 2.5 million to splash, by all means go away and buy the car and do a full review on it. If there's one person who can afford that car on YouTube that we all know, it's Manny Cashman. So Manny, if you're ever watching my videos, go out and buy that car. We want to see what it can do against petrol cars. But yeah, great video. Love the look of the car. What do you think below? Comment below. Do you like the look of it? Do you like electric cars? Would you buy it if you had the money? Have you seen the video? stuff like that, guys, just comment below. In saying that, I will rate the video. I'm going to give it a solid 8 out of 10. I mean, it was well done, and it is a gorgeous car. So, you know, it's a fair review, and you know, what can you say? Carwow did well in it. So in saying that, we're going to move on to number 2. That is TJ Hunt has revealed that they have made a new kit for the Corvette C8. Delighted that he has. Over the moon. They did a really good job on the MK5 Super kit that they made for his car. So I will tell you this now, guys, if you want me to buy that car and put that kit on it and modify it, I'll do it. You just gotta subscribe and get the channel to where it needs to go to make the money for me to do these things, and I will do what you want. That's what I'm gonna do. So I would gladly go in and buy a C8 and put that kit on it. So I'm gonna show you a quick video of the TJ going through the kit, and check this out.
I've been wanting to announce this for quite a while, and today I'm excited to finally reveal the C8 Streethunter wide body kit. Before we start playing with the idea of doing a complete fender replacement and really playing with how crazy you could get, but like I said, I really wanted to go more towards a GT style kit. So I actually ended up wanting to do just like big like rainbow flares to actuate the rear end of the car. A little of this came from inspiration from the Ferrari GT3 kit. If you guys can kind of see that comparison, it's just a traditional over fender style. If you want to mold it, you absolutely could. We might end up doing that for fun, but
so what do you think, guys? Do you like the kit? Is it a thumbs up? Is it a yes, no? Would you buy it if you had a C8? I really do like the kit. TJ does really well the way he designed it with these guys, the Streethunter crew. I like the way the style goes and the flares, and the way they've cut off the back end of the arch of the rear flares where you can see the tire. The wing is pretty nice on it. It looks like they're going for extension nip on the front, no side skirts. It looks really well. I would definitely buy that kit if I had a Corvette C8. So, you know, me personally, I have fair dues to TJ. I can't wait to see what other kits he does for other cars in the future. I'm glad he's gone down this route because the guy knows how to modify a car. So in saying that, I'm going to give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. Have you seen the video, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Would you buy the kit, or have you seen the kit in the MK5 Supra he did as well? You know, what you think of TJ Hunt if you watch his channel. So comment below, let me know, and I'll bring up your comments in the next video. I've also seen today, who else have I seen? Burlacker bought the H2 Hummer off Evija, I think it was. I've seen that video. Chris from Bees for Builds, looks like he's gotten his Lexus up and running. He took away the turbo. It was just the compression wasn't enough compression in there to do it. So looks like he's putting in 250 horsepower and hit of NOS into the car. Looking at the video, it doesn't look that quick. It looks pretty sluggish. I still think Tavares is going to take that drag race, me personally. But again, guys, if you've seen the video, comment below. Who do you think is going to win that race? Do you think it's going to be Tavares, or do you think it's going to be Chris? You know, and I'll bring it up in the next video. So that's everything for today, guys. Thanks very much if you've tuned in and watched to the end. You know, again, I hope you watch my other videos and like them, and get involved and make this channel the channel the way you want it, and get me there so I can make great content for you and great projects. So I hope you have a great day and a great evening. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out and bye.